Hello techies, welcome to Dubai Tech Hub. First of all, I want to thank you all for all your support, for subscribing my channel and watching my videos. Please continue to support our channel and please share with your friends also. The next solution is, can we use this DUInternet device with another carrier SIM card? So I am trying to use this DUI device with Etisalat SIM card by removing this DUI SIM card and inserting this Etisalat SIM card. So once it's inserted, I am connecting to the power circuit. So the status light goes red. I hope you can see this. So the status light goes red, which means this SIM card is not detected. We will log in and check whether this SIM card is detecting in the portal, and then we will double check on the portal also. So here the status light shows red, which means the SIM card is not detected or the SIM card is not working with this device. After inserting the other SIM card, you need to log into the portal through any of the browser. You can enter the IP address given in the bottom of the router device to log into this router portal. Okay, you can use your credentials, router credentials to log into this portal. You can see the message like this: SIM card not inserted or not working. Insert a working one and restart the device, which means the internet is not working in this SIM card. So I try to insert the Etisalat SIM card, but it is giving this error, which means the other carrier SIM card will not work in this device by default. You need to make carrier unlock in this device, which is a bit different subject. So as of now, in general, we cannot use this device for any other SIM card. I will add all the videos in this DUInternet playlist, so you can watch all the videos for each solution separately.